1,31,868 positive cases of COVID-19 reported in India. Country sees the largest surge on a Sunday morning. 73,560 active cases who are undergoing treatment at designated hospitals and 54,440 people have been discharged. 3,867 people have died due to the deadly virus across the country. Maharashtra COVID-19 cases rises to 47,190. 13,404 patients recover from the deadly virus and 1,577 deaths reported. Over 30,000 active cases in Maharashtra. Tamil Nadu COVID-19 cases rises to 15,512. 7,491 patients recover from the deadly virus and 103 deaths reported so far. Over 7,000 active cases in Tamil Nadu. Highest spike in number of COVID-19 cases in Karnataka as 216 cases reported from the state in a single day. Number of cases in the state on the rise and rises to 1,959. Death toll due to COVID-19 at 42.
ಶನಿವಾರ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗೋ ಕರ್ಫ್ಯೂ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕ ಜಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Curfew imposed in Bengaluru till Monday 7 a.m. This is in light of the government's decision to enforce complete lockdown on Sundays. KSRTC buses, BMTC buses, cabs and auto rickshaws stay off the streets till Monday morning. The decision has been taken following curfew imposed in Karnataka to ensure complete lockdown on Sunday due to the rise in the number of COVID-19 cases in Karnataka. Meanwhile, hundreds of migrant workers from Bihar wait at Satellite Bus Stand on Mysore Road. Migrants not aware of complete lockdown in Karnataka on Sunday. Authorities struggling to send them back home as no mode of transport is available. People continue to violate lockdown orders in Bengaluru. People in Shivajinagar seen coming out of their residences. Authorities failed to manage law and order situation in the city. The Karnataka Secondary Examination Board has given time till 29th May for SLC students to change their examination centers. Students have to register their names and registration number on the website on or before May 29 to change their examination centers. Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju has said that India will not host any international sport event anytime soon and fans will have to accept tournaments behind closed doors as a new normal in the post-COVID-19 world. Rijiju's statement raises questions whether IPL 2020 will be held this year.